Imagine pulling into a quiet mountain overlook in what appears to be a typical long-haul semi. But when the doors open, it's not a freightliner. It's a full-blown luxury motorhome that feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a truck. Today, we're diving inside one of the most jaw-dropping builds of the year, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. And believe me, you will not believe what's inside. Welcome to Engine Explorer, where we bring you the wildest machines on the road. And today's feature is something truly special. The T2000 has always been a legend among truckers, known for its sleek aerodynamics and powerful performance, but this is something else entirely. From the outside, it's still got that unmistakable Kenworth silhouette, bold grille, swept back lines, and a stance that commands respect. But peek a little closer and you'll start spotting the hints. Widened fairings, satellite domes, 360-degree exterior cameras, and a side awning that deploys with the push of a button. You're already wondering, what's it hiding? Step up the automatic stairwell, yes, automatic, and you're greeted by warm ambient lighting, luxury vinyl flooring, and a space that immediately makes you forget you're inside a semi-truck. The living area? Full leather recliners, a slide-out wall that doubles the interior width, and a 50-inch smart TV with surround sound, not your average cab. Walk further in and there's a chef-grade kitchenette, granite countertops, an induction stove, convection oven, dual-zone fridge, and even a wine chiller. They've packed more luxury into this rig than most New York apartments. And for the off-grid warriors, yes, it has solar, 2,000 watts on the roof, backed by a lithium battery bank and an onboard generator. You could disappear into the desert for weeks. Now the bathroom, this is where it gets wild. A rainfall shower, porcelain toilet with heated seat, and even a compact washer-dryer combo, all inside a truck. And in the back, a queen-size memory foam mattress, panoramic windows with blackout shades, and enough closet space to pack for a year on the road. Up front, the driver's cab hasn't been forgotten either. 15-inch digital dash, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, integrated dash cam, and air ride seats that feel more like cockpit chairs than truck seating. It's not just comfortable, it's futuristic. This build blurs the line between RV and sci-fi spacecraft. Whether you're a full-time traveler, long-haul nomad, or just want to make a serious statement at your next tailgate party, this T2000 motorhome is unmatched. Would you guess this rolling palace started life as a freight rig? Probably not, and that's what makes it so special. If you're as stunned by this build as we are, make sure to hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping machines from around the globe. Thanks for riding with Engine Explorer, where the journey is the destination.